Okay, question number 6. So this question is asking us how to add with exponents. Okay, so to add or subtract numbers with exponents, we need both of the variables as well as both of the exponents to be the same. So when both of the variables and exponents are the same, these are known as like terms. So when the terms are alike, then we can apply a subtraction or addition to them, but otherwise we cannot add them or subtract them, okay? So let's look at a couple of examples. So example number 1, we have 3y to the 4 plus 25y to the 4, okay? So looking at these variables, we have y and y, so we have the same variable, right? And we see that both variables have the same exponent. Same exponent. So that just means the same value for the exponent, okay? So since we have the same exponent and the same variable, we can say that they are like terms. Therefore, we can add them. So let's just add the coefficients in front of these variables. So we have 3 plus 25, and then leave the exponent and variable the same. And we get 28y to the 4. So yes, as you can see, when they have the same exponent, same variable, they are like terms, and therefore you can add. But let's look at a different example now. So second example, if we have 7x squared plus 8y squared. Now we're looking, we have the same exponent again. Which is a 2. Same exponent. But we notice that one is x and one is y, so we have different variables. And when you have unlike terms, or in this case we have two different variables, we can't add. So when we can't add, we'll just leave them the same. So it remains 7x squared plus 8y squared. Let's look at a third example. So example number 3. If we are given 4y cubed plus 4y squared, now we see that the variables are now the same. Variables are the same. But however, the exponents are different. Exponents are different. So since the exponents are different, once again, we can't add them. We'll just have to leave it as is. So we still have 4y cubed plus 4y squared. Okay, so just to review, in this first example, when the exponents were the same and the variables were the same, then we were able to add the coefficients to the variables in order to get our answer. Okay. Let's go down. Okay, and they go through the same examples. So correct decision. And we can move on to the next question. Question number 7. So this question asks how to convert. So we have 15 US pints. We want to convert this to gallons. Okay, so we have the conversion factor. And this conversion factor tells us that 1 gallon is equal to 8 pints. Okay? So when we start with 15 pints, in order to convert it to gallons, multiply it by this term. So we have 1 gallon for every 8 pints. And that's how I remember what to multiply it by. You want to put in the denominator the unit so that it essentially cancels out with the unit that is in the given term, okay? And in this case, we are left with 15 over 8, and since pints, the unit pints, it has been canceled out. This is in gallons now, and now we just have 15 over 8 gallons. And if you evaluate that with your calculator, you get 1.875 gallons. And that is your final answer. So 15 pints gives you 1.875 gallons after converting. All right, looking at the solution, we have the correct solution.